Good morning. Today is my day 6 here. Actually, this is day 4 here in Porto, but in reality, it is day 6 in my tour, and I am here at Besa Hotel. And today, we're going to visit Porto, Born Jesus de Monte Sanctuary Cambados, Santiago de Compostela. So that is my itinerary today, and we will be departing here from this Besa Hotel in Porto around 8 o'clock. So first, we will be arriving in Braga. We will visit the Sanctuary of Born Jesus and take a trip in the world's oldest water operated cable car. Wow! And after that, we will be going to arrival in Cambados, the historic na maritime town offers the bus of autumn boat trip along the Ria Arauz. Oh, dami pala nito. And Santiago de Compostela and St. James Day, our groups named to accommodate the city of Santiago. And that's it for today. Today is Sunday, November 30th. So this is my hotel room here in Porto. The name is Born Bindol. Born Bindu. I don't know. So this is now. It's nice, huh? But it's there is a heavy rain here. Okay. Here in Europe. Menu executivo. Banquets. Wow. Baka doon na ako sa Europe naman. Hindi pa siguro.
Well, the day of today is going to be organized like this. We're going to stop in 3 different places. First, approximately 50 minutes, we will get to the outskirts of Braga, one of the important cities of Portugal in the north. Actually, the religious center of Portugal is in Braga. And we're going to get to our sanctuary of the Good Jesus of the Mount. This is what we are going to the upper part of the hill, because it's actually built on a hill. We're going to go to the upper part with a funicular. Very old and very historical and very important and interesting funicular. Later on I will tell you how it works. And later on, when we get to the upper part, the interesting part of the sanctuary is actually walking down the stairways. And next, after the sanctuary of Born Jesus, we will continue to Spain, another country. Remember that we're going to Spain. I don't know if you've been to Spain before?
We are now here in Braga, Portugal. So this is the way going to
Braga. Bueno, en Portugal hay un dicho que habla sobre las 4 ciudades más importantes del país, que están, como sabéis, en el norte, porque recordáis que casi toda la población está en la parte del norte y las ciudades grandes están en la parte norte de Portugal, que dice Lisboa para vivir, es la capital, es donde mejor se vive, Porto para trabajar, Coimbra, que es la ciudad con la universidad más antigua de Portugal, para estudiar, y Braga, la ciudad donde estamos nosotros ahora.
Riding vernacular. Vernacular. Ah, okay. Abu Dhabi. Ah, okay. Hindi ka nagpunta sa ano, sa Khalifa? Burj Khalifa.
Ano, Dubai kami yun. Sabi ko.
Motor din. Very good. Wow. We are now riding vernacular. Oh, wow, my hands is shaking. Hello, Grace. Grace is busy. We're now going to up. We're going up now. Yeah, there is new chocolate, no? Yung pistachio. Kunapa chocolate. Ay, grabe, ang mahal pala. Kasi mayroon akong friend dito sa Madrid. Nalimutan ko namang bumili ng kunapa chocolate. So, ang ginawa ko, doon ako bumili sa sa 70 dirhams. Samantalang kung doon ka bibili sa labas, it costs only 15 dirhams. Mahal. But now I learned. So, better to buy kunapa chocolate dyan. Wala, so like, ay, ano, meron ako yung Lato of Flame sa Pilipinas. Dito naman sa, ano, sa Porto. Nagit ko naman siya sa Fatima. Actually, nagit kami sa Dubai. Classmate ko siya. So, we are now here in Braga, Porto. The northern part of Portugal, and we're going to roam around this. This is a sanctuary. As what they mentioned, Lisbon is for living, Porto is for working, and Braga is for praying. Okay? So it's nice to be here. Wow!